Hello, everyone. We are going to be talking about statistics for this unit. And statistics is the science of collecting and analyzing numerical data. So, data are facts collected for reference to be analyzed, and numerical means they're numbers. So statistics is collecting information, numbers, and then analyzing them. What we're going to focus on today is statistical questions, and these are questions that have more than one numerical answer. So if I were going to ask everyone in the class how many pets they have or how many minutes they spent on online school yesterday, those are statistical questions. There's more than one numerical answer. So we will talk later about distributions, but today we're really going to focus on statistical questions right here. So, what is a statistical question? It's a question that has more than one answer, and it's a question that requires analyzing that data. So we're going to look here, do some examples. Which questions are statistical questions? We will either enter statistical or non-statistical. So how many minutes did you spend doing your homework? If I just asked you how many minutes you spent on your homework, that is one answer because you are one person. So this is not statistical because it is one person and that's it. If it was how many minutes did everyone in the class spend doing their homework, that would be statistical because it would have more than one numerical answer. So for 2, how many text messages did your classmates send yesterday? That is statistical because we have a bunch of different answers and we would collect all of those answers and we could then analyze them. How many pets do the students in your class have? Again, we will have many answers there and we could analyze them. So that is statistical. How tall are you? That is not statistical because there's one answer because we're just asking one person. Statistical. How many books did you read last summer? There is a concrete number of books that you read last summer, and that is just one answer. So that will be not statistical. What was the average daily temperature last month? That means we would take the average of all the days and we would get one answer. So again, that is going to be not statistical. We will talk more about what average means a little later, so don't worry too much about that. How many sodas did your classmates drink on Saturday? That would be asking a bunch of people, so we would have many answers. So that is statistical. What is the population of your city? That has one answer, which means that is not statistical. Statistical. Okay? So, you are going to now see how I was just typing these answers in on your own Google Doc. You are going to answer these questions here where it says you try it. And you are going to answer this one. You're going to explain how you know if a question is a statistical question. You're going to then go to the next slide. There's a few more. So here, you're just going to drag these to where they belong, whatever definition they belong with. And here, again, you are going to say statistical or not statistical, and then just briefly explain how you know. And then when you're all done with that, you're going to go to the last slide and you're going to complete this one quick survey. So just click on this link and it's going to lead you to a Google form. if you have any questions at all, you should make sure that you log into Zoom for the office hours. I hope that you are staying safe, and I will talk to you soon.